towards the land is called monsoon winds. And these winds blow from Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land, the winds which these carries the moisture along with them. That is water content. With water content in the sense, it doesn't mean that the wind has got the water content. The wind will have very coldness. There will be no dryness in the wind. The air which is going to be breeze towards the land from the sea, it will be very colder, very cold. So they cause rainfall in most part of India. And how the distribution will be there, the distribution of rainfall is very uneven, it is not equal, it is not same in our country. And which is the highest rainfall region, Maswaram in Meghalaya receives the maximum rainfall with about 1100 centimeter. Not only in India, it is compared in the world. In the world, Maswaram in Meghalaya receives the maximum rainfall in the world. On the other hand, Rajasthan, they are telling the desert area, we receive little rainfall, which we already discussed in the previous chapter. While studying the physical features of India, we got to know that desert region receives very less rainfall. Next, the monsoon season is very important in India. Why? Because India is basically an agricultural land, and agriculture is the main sector and the main occupation which is carried on by the people of India staying in India. Their basic occupation is agriculture. Agriculture is one of the important sector from which India is getting the major part of its national income also, part of income. And agriculture basically requires water, and where does the water gets? The water is directly we are getting from the rainfall. So farmers depends on agriculture, and agriculture is dependent on water. There are sources of water like lakes, water, river, ponds, dam, reservoirs. All these needs what? Water. For where? Rainfall. So people use raincoats, umbrellas in rainy season in order to cover them during the rainy season. And during the rainy season, people like to have tea, pakoras, plums, and cherries during this season. Spicy food during the rainy season. And do you know, children, an instrument is called rain gauge is used to what? To measure the amount of rainfall. An instrument is being used in measuring the amount of rainfall. How much percentage of rainfall has been occurred in that particular place, in a particular region. That is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. So rainwater is collected in this instrument, that is rain gauge, and it is measured in centimeters. And now coming to the winter season. How the winter season will be there? It is too coldness. So the winter season in India starts from November to February. But in the northern part of India, generally December and January are the coldest months of the year. In summer season, May and June will be the hottest month in a year. In winter season, December and January will be the coldest month of the year with a temperature of how many degrees Celsius? Below 0 degrees Celsius in the northern part of India. And coming to the weather climate, in the winter season, the days are warm and short, and the nights are cold and longer. But in summer, the days are longer, the night are shorter. In winter, students, the days are warm and short, and the nights are cold and long. Then coming to the coastal regions, how the coastal regions will be experienced. In the coastal regions, the winters are pleasant, whereas it is very cold in the northern mountains. So, how the winter season is going to be, this will be present in different places. So, in the northern part of India, they will have too much of cold, but in the coastal regions, it will be pleasant. In the northern mountains, it will be very cold. And people like to have war woolen clothes in order to keep warm, and they like to have spicy food, which will be specially on the street food, which they like to have during winter season. Now coming to the autumn season begins after the rainy season is over and before the winter. So how the seasons look like? The season in this season, the sky will be mostly with a little or no rainfall, but it keeps the temperature or the temperature cool, and the environment will be pleasant during this time. So many trees shades their leaves. They start becoming older and they start fallen on the roadside. So when you just go on the park and the street while going in the evening for the walking, you could just have observed this kind of picture which I am showing you in the slide. Next is spring. Spring season begins after the winter is over and before the commencement of summer. Before the summer starts and the winter ends, the spring season is going to occur. So, dear students, so far what we learned was summer, winter, autumn. Now let us recall the spring season. During spring season, how the weather will be? The weather is too not too hot, too cold during this time. It is moderate. It will be very pleasant and cool breeze, and it is called the queen of seasons or the head of the season, we can call it as. Who doesn't like this season? Everyone likes the spring season because during this time a beautiful earth itself is beautiful on this, and more the nature which is present on the earth itself creates a creature of God by the God which has created to the another world. It brings another world in front of our eyes. Such a beautiful environment is going to be created during the spring season with lot of greeneries, new leaves, new flowers everywhere. There will be a new commencement of growth of plants and leaves in the trees. Like how the flower blossom in the spring season is being shown in your textbook. One picture is given and for an example for you to understand. So, dear children, in this chapter, the main highlight is meaning of weather and climate. Weather, state of atmosphere condition, changes in the atmosphere condition which remains for a shorter period of time. Climate. Climate is a weather condition over leaves a prevails or presents for a longer period of time. Due to the climatic conditions, changes in the conditions of the climate, we experience seasons in India, that is winter, spring, summer, monsoon and autumn. So, difference between meaning of weather and climate and seasons in India, when does it occurs and how the people is going to be adjust to the lifestyle during this different seasons we have seen in this particular chapter. In the coming classes will be having that is on Monday you will have a question and answer discussion session. So it is a reading session. Please go through the video and refer the textbook. Thank you.